morning, March 11th, 2025. Get out of here. All right. Here's the hour chart. This is the 5-day EMA. So if you look back at it, it looks like a pretty good little 5-dayer. You can see we get away from it. What do? We pull back to it. Get away from it, pull back to it. Get away from it, pull back. Pull back. So my guess is we'll pull back to it, or at least close to it at some point. You know, it could be one of these where we drop down, go up, drop down, go up, da-da-da. So, but we've got pretty far away from it. We could probably, this is what I like to do, is say, this looks like a pretty far distance here. Right? So you can see that pretty much lines up with that. This pretty much lines up with that. This one didn't quite get up there, but we're not too far away from it. So it looks like a good place to maybe come back to. Welcome to Ultra. What the hell is that? Anyway, so my thinking is that maybe we come back a little bit, right? I mean, get back up to here. It might be a little choppy, sloppy. We got this four-hour fair value gap here, a sell gap, another sell gap here, another one up here. So it will be tough to get up through there. So it means a lot of choppiness or short squeeze, one of the two. So if they can't get up, they'll come down and then try to squeeze up. Kind of like here. Kind of like here, right? Get these big squeeze bars, 1 hour candles. Bam, bam. So right now we're in between. I mean, it's pretty far away. I think it's 228, 550. So let's call it 530. So 300 points in between the bottom control and support, the bull zone. So bottom control, top control have flip-flop, and higher probability means another down day. But because we've had so many, I don't know. But that's something I'm just kind of recording in my brain. Say, okay, those flip-flop, or is it a down day? Let's see. So, big distance. That's the problem here. Big distance. Big distance. But anyway, you know, my guess is at some point, you know, you're going to pull back to your moving averages. It's just the way it works. Or your moving averages come down to you. I mean, one of the two. But you see how we go. Where's that? Let me see. I'll create another one. There we go. Maybe that one's better size. Yeah. They're close. You get the idea. You know, anytime you get this far away, you come back. You get this far away, you come back. You get this far away. Well, this was the exception. You dive down further. Then you come back. So I think you get the idea. You come back. This one really far away. So my guess is we come back. But we went negative, so maybe we don't. Maybe we just keep on coming down. Or maybe we do like one of these, where we come up, we come down, then we come back up. So that's where I'm thinking. So we could come down and then pop back up just to get closer. You know, do one of these jobs. Little M pattern. Not really an M pattern. Not a little funky M pattern. But just to get closer. Just to kind of go sideways. We're below VWAP. Alright, so here's the 15-minute. We just dropped below VWAP. Looks like we're going to take out the London low here, probably at open. And then kind of dictate where we're going to go. Yesterday, me and Michael were watching this. On the 1 minute. Look at that 1 minute. Bam. Okay. This was 9:30, so this is number one. Came across, went above, dropped down below. This is actually, I think, close to 40 points. So 630. Yeah, pretty close. Probably more than 40 points. So once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times, 11. You get the idea. Until finally it broke up. Then you got a curling of it, moved up, and then we got the reverse. Coming down, going through it. Coming down, going through it. And these are, I don't know how big these are. Yeah, those are big. Last night we gapped down below it. Market open. Was it last night? Yeah. Interesting. We are back below it. And we've got a pretty slanted 1 minute weighted moving average. Basically, you play it until it stops, right? You play it until it stops working. But let me get back here. Actually, let me just set the chart up, make it look decent. Okay. It's 2 minute. Strategies. All right, I'm going to be playing the 2 minute on micros. Didn't do very well in this guy this morning. Took a couple losses. Tried to play some 5 minute gap fills. But here's our 2 minute pre-market, so we got about a minute left. Good luck. I'll just let them play out. I'm only playing 3 micros for each contract, so let's see how it plays. Just shooting for 30 points. All right, there's market open. Okay, our low is 413.25 and the high is 447.50 on the 2 minute. We are above VWAP. So we need to get above probably 450 to go long, or to be a long. And back below 413 on the short side. So far, we're just kind of hanging out at VWAP, so you know what that means. Usually choppiness if you open up on VWAP. Tends to be a little choppy. And hence, there you go. I'll just let that play out. Oh, what? Wow. All right, that guy's done. He didn't do a very good job today. Okay, push back down through that short area. I'll probably take it short. And move back above, I'll take it long. But right now we're just kind of chopping close to VWAP. Oh, there we go. Looks like I took it. See what we're going to do here. So do you have any downward targets? You know, downward target have to be down in here, 15 minute. You got a 15-minute gap fill down here, which I don't really care about actually. I would probably go to my 5-minute chart. Okay, so we took out the London low like I was talking about. Now a push back up above that 50% and above VWAP, I'm going to take that long. See if we can get above there and hold. Not doing a very good job this morning. All right, sit on my hands. I think a push back up, back above. And I say that only because we took out the London low. Okay, so just some choppiness here. That's what happens when you open up next to VWAP. Okay, so the 15-minute looks pretty bearish. We still got a lot of time to play, right? It could just be playing some games. Five minute, Kind of gave us an indecision candle. So back up above. Is that our opening range already? No. Can't get above VWAP there. There it goes. Actually, why did I take that? I'll wait now for the opening range. See what we get. That or we get a move above the 1 minute weighted. Yeah, there's our move. You know, you're not going to be able to stay there, huh? 10 points, not enough. I'll take mine off here. That was a good trade. Came right up to my support resistance area at one time. You can see we played around in there quite a bit. Okay, coming back down. Good entry. I was looking for something around 473. I didn't quite get there. You know, number 2 is 481. We got there. Darn it. I should know that. On the move up, you're going to take the higher of the 2. Okay, so there's my top control or bottom control right here at 550.250. We're also into some resistance area. It was support. Doesn't mean we can't go through it, just means it might be a little bumpy. Okay, so now my numbers are 508 and 489, 510. I like 508 better, but I don't know if we come back that much. Big 5-minute candle. So, what time is it? We still got a few more minutes. About 510, 508 to 510 would be option 1. I just don't know how much of a resistance area that one's going to be. Because I might be able to get it like 497, 498. Okay, I'll keep an eye on the 5-minute candle, see what it's going to do. There's our move down to 494 here. I'm going to put a buy up here. Not where I really want it. Shit. I don't know what the hell that was. Let's see if we come back up. That, or if we drop back down through this 1 minute weighted, could be a nice short. It's still pointed down. I'm going to gamble that we go up, but no guarantees here. Come on, baby. Cruise on up there. Come on, baby. Let's go. Okay, I got to watch out for that 552 area. So if we get up back up there, then I'll drop my stop around 540. Okay, I just closed out my PA manually, so I'm going to close out this trade. Okay, I got my guy up there where I needed him to be. 900, good day. 500 on that guy. I'll switch over now to some valuations, I guess. All right, same system. It's just a little. All right, I'm going to buy in here. I know we only came down. I wanted to pick it up around 19. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to try for, if we get up to 552, I'm going to drop it around 41. Come on, let's go. Go. Ah, took me out. Shit. Come on back down. And there was the play. It's just not going to get up there, I don't think. Might need to come down before it can go up. Come on, get back up. There's another good buy right there. I'm going to wait. We've got a nice reversal potential on the 5-minute. We'll see how serious they are. Watching the 1 minute weighted to see what we're going to do. Is it going to angle up? It's going to keep coming down. I mean, right now we're starting to move up. Right? I mean, you could do something like, yeah. Still bullish. Technically a little bull. This is kind of make or break area. I think we close down below, well, 500 for sure, but 505, 504. We might get a little bearish tendency. But right now, yeah, it's still bullish. You got a big old, look at that big old green candle, right? So let me try to buy one here. I'll see if I can hold on to it. I don't know if I can. Nope. So that was the last trade for that guy for a little bit. I just don't have enough stop in me, I don't think. Fuck you. It's going to go up, I think. All right, see if I can get 1,000 or something out of this one. Come on, baby. Let's go. Give me 600 at least. Let me break even. There you go. Push up through that 552 area. It's got to get above that. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, close right at it. Push up. There you go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and lock in right something right in there. I don't know if it's going to clear that or not. If I can get to 1,000, I'll lock it in. I'm getting up towards the daily pivot, somewhere around 634. There we go. There's 1,000. All right, I'm now green in that little eval. I'm going to go ahead and lock that one in. Not a little short. That's all right. All right. And that's the way you do it. I'm up 900 on my PA. That's good. 500 on this guy. I got another 2 days on him anyway, so I'll just let him. 500 is good. That'll put me at, let's see, 52.2 on the take profit, and the PA's at 51.350. We're up 131 on NASDAQ and kind of got a little bullish trend going. So I think my move down now would be around 555 to take it long, or 540. And that just keeps moving up as we go up. Let me try this guy here. Let's see if I can get one more going. Looking for a pullback, something around 567, 550. Right in the middle would be good. $5.75 now. You see the 15-minute, we're just cruising right on up. We got the opening range here at 552. If we come down there and test that, I'll take that. In fact, I'll just put a buy right there. Let's see if I can capture on a maybe on a retest. Oh, come on, get me. Come on. There we go. Here we go. Up 550 already, just like that. Bingo, bango, bongo. Look at that. What a play. Let's go. All right, I'll lock that in. Wasn't quite quick enough. See if we can come back down and do it again. I'll be a little quicker this time. Okay, same thing. We got a 5-minute. We just came down to the 5-minute and looks like close that gap. Yeah, they're going to go lower. More than I want. Damn you. Okay. So 552. Come on down a little bit more. All right, I like that. I'll give that a shot. Stay up there, damn you. Okay, I still like the 15-minute. Still looks good. Got a little doji going right now. Got to watch for potential bearishness move here. But 5 minutes to go. Still got a long time on this 15-minute here. Oh, I know what I need to do. Okay, sitting on my hands here. See if I can push that. It's a shame. I wasn't quite quick enough on that account. I should have locked in that 800. I just wasn't quick enough. I could have stopped right there and have been good. All right, we got a bearish cross. There's a potential there. I would have liked to have moved up to around 532, would have been better. Got a new 5 minute. Got a 1 minute that's coming down. Oh, come on. This is what I was kind of playing with earlier. Could do that now, I guess. Probably looks a little better. Almost do something like that, huh? Let's see if we want to come down below that and then also below the 1 minute weighted. What did that do on the 1 hour? Not much. All right, let's see if we hold here or if they want to bring her down. Guess is they hold it. I'd like to get back above that opening range. This is the 1 minute, so we got some sell gaps here. That might act as some resistance moving up. And I just missed my entry there at 532. See if we can come down to the 1 minute weighted. Nope. Oh. Ouch. That one hurt. We got a 35 ATR, so it's a little tough to stay in with a small stop. So I'm going to have to sit on my hands for a few minutes here. Otherwise, I'll just keep getting knocked around. See what they're going to do if they come back above the 1 minute opening range. Okay, there's their push. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so we do have some news coming out at 10. Jolts. Go to economic data calendar, and we have Jolts job openings. 10 a.m. So it should be now. I almost want to take this short right around 520 or 514, somewhere in there, 515. Oh, he's turd. That was it. All right, there's Jolts came out. I guess it wasn't too good. We're dropping below the 1 minute. Let's see if we can stay there. Can't take this yet. It's too volatile. I was just going to jump in there at 515 too. I said, I better wait. Darn it. Now, if you got it, nice trade. But it looks like they're going to push this baby higher, huh? Okay, I'm going to try to stay in if I can. I'd like to go up to the pivot. I don't really want to lose money here. Up 400, come on. Keep going, get me back to 4. All right, I'm gonna lock that in. I'm gonna lock that in, lock that in. There we go. Try to get that baby back. Okay. I'm glad I locked in. Back to the opening range high. If we come back up through that, I'll take it. I think I'll I would take it if we come back, if we go back up through, and then also take the short if we come back down below the 1 minute weighted. Like that. Shit. Kind of hard to take a 50 or 60 point 1 minute candle though. All right, coming down to VWAP, I just can't jump in there. I just got this baby back. All right, looking for the short below VWAP. That one you'll take, huh? You won't take the 1 minute, but you'll take VWAP. If we come, oh, go back up to 1 minute. Go back up to the 1 minute. I'll take the 1 minute short if we get up there. Come on, get it back up there. Just trying to. It's fighting. I don't know if they're going to let it. Oh, come on, get a little closer. I'm looking for 81. Ah. All right, got 2. I'll take whatever it gives me. If it gives me that 98, I'll take it down there. We're now below the midnight open. I'm going to go ahead and lock some in, which usually means I'll get stopped out, but stopped out for a nice little sum. Okay, that move sucked back up. Come on, a little more. Oh, I was trying to see if we can get to 450 again. I would take that. In fact, I'll put my stop there. Do a little, oh, not a buy. You want to sell? All right, it doesn't look like we're going to get there. Darn it. All right, we're going to take the opening range low. I'm going to try it. I don't know if I can stay in there. I'm a little tight. All right, I'm going to lock in. At least make sure I don't go red on this. All right, not great. But same thing applies. If we come back down, come on. Oh. Okay, so we got a 1 minute gap to fill up there at 418. We got to 412. And we got another gap up to 450. Wow, just big gaps. I really didn't want that one, damn it. That's why. Alright, so we gotta fill that freaking gap. Oh, come on. Damn it. That was ugly. Well, I should have took my short off the 1 minute and just played that, nothing else. That was a 125-point move. Son of a gun. In less than 2.5 minutes. Alright, I'm going to try to stay in this. Nope, going to get taken. I really got to stop that from closing down. Alright, if we drop back below VWAP, it's a short. If you can close a 1 minute candle below it, it'd even be better. Nope. Come on, get back down there. Alright, 3 seconds, not going to do it. Don't like that. Come on, get down there. This is too crazy. I'm down 12 now. Shit. All right, I'm going to try to 1 minute 40 there. Is down at 438. Nope. Come on, stay down. Nope. Come on. Not too much. All right, I don't want to. I'm going to blow that fucker. All right, we got a big gap we just filled. Okay, filled that gap. Okay, just watching here. Okay, I just don't have a lot of clues as to which way we're going to go other than maybe this 15-minute candle looking pretty nasty. But looking nasty because it's not giving us anything. Big old wick is what it's giving us. We got somewhat of a flat 1 minute weighted and almost flat VWAP with anything a tendency in the upward direction. So I'll wait. Get a move back down below VWAP. So I would take a short below, I still will. Okay, so there's a move up right there. I don't really like it. I'll look for a move down to 423. All right, I'm done. That's it. So 423 would be my target. There we go. Still like 423. Hey, turd. What did we get to? 423.50. Ah, you sucker fish. All right, next target would be 412. And I don't know what happened there. Oh, maybe that was it. Came down to the 61.8 and bounced. Michael, did you see that? 355 would have been a perfect entry. Okay, that'll work. Okay. Well, blew that eval. Not happy about that. My goal was not to blow one today. But I did what I needed to do on TakeProfitTrader last night. I just did what I needed to do on this eval, and I did what I needed to do on this PA. So all in all, 8 out of 10. If we come down and drop below the opening range, I would go short, and above the opening range, I would go long. I think that's pretty much the long and the short of it. I'm going to spend the rest of the day playing with my bot. See if I can get him to set his targets and stops. Yeah, the 5-minute fib play. All right, that's it for today. I'm done. I'm not going to be trading this guy. I'm not trading him, and I'm not trading him. This guy sucks. So, but at least I burned something that I didn't really need to, so it didn't matter. So, all right, ciao. See you guys tomorrow.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night, every candle tells